Found out what happened with this mower deck smoking this belt. This is on the Husqvarna over here that we're working on. All right. I didn't see it at first. We put the mower deck belt back on again to see what was going on. All the pulleys are in good shape. It's right here. This is what happened. There's a crack in the weld here that was, nobody could see that. I mean, it's so small. And what happened is this arm, this is where it was rubbing, and we saw that. Actually, you saw that where it's rubbing right here. This flexes just a little bit. And if you could just get the camera over here, just on the side here. I don't know if you can see that flex up and down, but that's what we have to, and I tell you that, I mean, I just caught that. And so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna grind all this out. We're gonna weld it back up again, and hopefully that should take care of it. It's gonna be a little bit tricky, but we'll do what we gotta do. Just wanted to show you what we found. So I looked into it a little bit more, and as you can see, we ground everything away because it broke on both sides. So I'm gonna weld all that up. Instead of having two little welds on each side, I'm gonna weld the whole entire length of it, and we should be good to go when it's over. Okay, got the welding done. As you can see, that is never gonna break ever again. I just wanted to show you the weld before I paint it, okay?